Hi, you are welcome back. Into this video I'll be showing you how I prepare this broccoli recipe. Here we've got some olive oil, and I added some onions, and I will go into throwing some garlic. Oh my god, I eat a lot of garlic. I love garlic. I love the taste of garlic in my food. Let me know if whether you eat garlic like me in the comment section. And I went ahead to add some red bell pepper, salt, and chicken stock for taste. And I added some scotch bonnet paste, okay, because I love spicy food, but this is optional. If you don't really eat spicy food, you can reduce the quantity, or you can just don't add it, okay. And I allowed it to fry for like 1 to 2 minutes, and give it a stir. All right, okay, this is a quick recipe that you can use it to eat anything. And here I just went ahead to add the broccoli. Guys, my kitchen is booming. My kitchen is booming. I'm telling you guys, this is so easy, really low budget recipe that you can just prepare within few minutes. And I went ahead to add some nutmeg, thyme, parsley, and some turmeric. Okay, feel free to add some other spices, or yeah, of your choice. Okay, and allowed it to cook or fry for like 2 minutes, and the recipe is done. Just for 2 minutes, because we don't want to overcook all these veggies. Okay, guys, let me know where you are watching us from. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us, like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and leave us a comment in the comment section. Thank you for all your support and all your love, guys. It is ready. It is ready. You can just eat this like this, okay. It is a full meal. We're balanced in our veggies because we're going to intentionally eat healthy. And I went ahead to serve mine with white rice. Let me know what you're taking yours with in the comment section. Okay, guys, this looks so healthy. It is healthy, not just looking so healthy. This is a healthy meal, simple, low budget. Okay, you can add any protein of your choice, but I want to take this just like this. Okay, no meat today, no fish, and I'm going to test it for you guys. It tastes so good. This sauce tastes so good, very easy, just with few ingredients, and you have a whole balanced meal to enjoy. I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you, and God bless you.